All right, Christmas is coming. Are you looking for a quick gift idea? Huh? Super easy, 10 minutes. Follow me. So wet. Come on. Okay, all you gotta do is find you a small tree branch. I've got birch all over the place, so that's what I'm gonna go for. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Simple as that. All right, now you have your branch. Just cut them into roughly 6, 7, 8-inch lengths.
Now you take your crayon and you find you a drill bit that you think roughly matches the size. And if you don't have one that's big enough, not to worry. Everyone knows that it's not the size of the bit that matters, it's how you use it. Now just go ahead and find whatever you think is closest to the center and start drilling. And for a pro tip, just the tip, turn it around for a little double-sided action and repeat the process on the other side. Next, grab the crayon and throw a little bit of wood glue on that bad boy. And then, just jam it in there. Go on, get. And keep pushing. Damn it, broke it. And that, kids, is why you drill that hole just a little bit bigger. Okay, attempt numero dos. Okay, approaching the hole. Almost all the way. Damn it, broke this one too. It's okay, don't worry, it's all gonna work out. Now, find you a sharp knife and just start whittling away. No, you're not a wuss. My hand got tired too. It takes a really long time. And there you have it. In about 10 minutes, you have a unique and easy Christmas gift for the kiddos. You are welcome.